Traders, yesterday's attempt to reclaim 6016 failed pretty hard, leading to a sharp flush below 5919, hitting every bear target down to 5925 and taking out multiple lows. Now, we are facing major structural levels. Now, before we jump into the charts, here's what's moving the market today. We have US Core Price Index, which is key inflation data with a high impact. Also, Trump is meeting up with Ukraine's President Zelensky, which could cause some geopolitical reactions. And with ES testing critical support, today's data could set the next move. Let's find out. So the 10-day volume profile is a widening and outside profile, but the value area high and the POC remain at the same place. Value area low shifts to 5,979, which is a wonderful new bull target. Our first bear target is where we are now, 5,890, which marks the first week of January's value area low. Also, we see this low volume node and this low volume node right here, which is January the 15th low volume node with a low at 5,910, which is a potential structural ceiling. If bears can take out 5,858.50, which is October's last week value area low as well, we could see further downside and a collapse of this range. Big structural shift both on the monthly and the daily one-time framing up have been hit, dropping the monthly low to 5,858.50. Our next major bear target is 5,809, which is previous month's low. If taken out, the monthly one-time framing up will break, opening more power to the downside. So sellers have control, but will they keep on pressing further? On the 2-hour delta, we see, in hindsight of course, a lot of buy absorption above this 6,000 buy level, which led to the aggressive selling below 5,990. Once price left our 30-minute opening range, after a retest of the weekly view app, selling accelerated into the January 15 gap, making the low a new short-term point of interest at 5,910. If buyers cannot reclaim this 5,940 level, I expect sellers to keep pushing more down. A quick glance at the market profile shows us that yesterday was a rather balanced session until sellers attacked this buying tail from Wednesday, triggering this downside range extension. Single prints were left between 5,931 to 5,920 and 5,908 to 5,902. These will act as key reaction zones today. Finally, let's jump into the 1-hour level chart, showing us that price is now testing this big buyer from January the 10th at 5,861. Globex is pushing up into this single print and I am watching for reactions there. Price is way below strike prices with a low at 6,025. If buyers can hold this 5,861 buy level, we might see a bounce, but below 5,841 it's a clear shot to 5,810. So let us talk about the game plan. My line in the sand today will be 5,902, marking the low of this single print right here. Above 5,902 opens will long at the top at 5,908, targeting 5,920, 5,931 and the sell zone at 5,940. Bulls must reclaim these single print areas to push back into the weekly value. If we are unable to break inside these single prints, shorts will activate below this sell level at 5,891, targeting 5,860, 5,843 and 5,809. So we've reached a point where the market has a choice to make. Sellers have dominated, smashing through key levels, but buyers are still lurking at historical demand zones. Is this just another leg lower, or are we setting up for a violent rebound? The way we trade today's session will define how we position ourselves for next week. So stay sharp, focus on structure, and be ready for whatever the market throws at us. As always, hit that notification bell and follow for daily and weekly update. You don't want to miss what happens next. And if you're not staying on top of the market will stay on top of you.